everyone.
Secret task ka talaga.
Napaga ka sa picture, sa PTA natin.
What happened to you?
Everyone, I need you to go back to their proper seats right now. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Nakakatakot siya. Nag-iis pa kami. Nag-ayos pa kami.
Grabe yung kilay ni teacher.
Morning, ma'am.
Grabe!
Ma'am, ba't di mo ba tayo
We'll
kilay
sit
niyo, ma'am?
down.
Ma'am, di mo ba tayo kilay niyo, ma'am?
Ginamit mo yung marker.
Drawing yung kilay.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi man.
Nag-ready po.
May nakakatawa ba, boys at the front?